Drummers, what if I could help you get past 150 BPM with your feet in just 3 days this October in Vienna? Would you want to see how? That's what we're going to do at the Vienna Drum Camp 2025, October 2nd till October 4th, right here in Vienna at the Gasometer Spielraum. 3 full days, 2 teachers, Simon Schilling from Marduk and myself, Marthyn Jovanovic. We only have 40 slots for drummers available and we sold 11 tickets in just the first 4 days. You will learn the exact same system that helped over 180 drummers in my program, Marthyn's Drum Camp. They broke past the speed limits. They got rid of tired shin muscles and they got their left foot as fast as their right foot. You won't just watch us talk, you will practice with us. You will get help if you're playing and you'll go home with a system that works for life. So this drum camp is for beginners and intermediate drummers who are stuck. So this is for you if you've been stuck below 150 BPM for months or even years, no matter how much you practice. This is for you if you sit at your drum kit feeling mad and lost. You don't know which muscles to use or what to do next. This is for you if your left foot can't keep up with your right foot and this makes you feel bad about your playing. This is also for you if every day, without getting better, makes you think you're not good enough. This is for you if your band members are getting tired of waiting for you to get better. You can feel they are upset when you can't play the fast parts they want. And finally, this is for you if the anchor technique feels uncontrollable and twitchy instead of something you can control with ease. Think about this. Instead of fighting alone at home, you have an expert teacher right next to you. You'll get clear, simple steps for your exact same problem. That's what these 3 days will give you. In these 3 days, you will learn 3 main things that work together to change your play. Building block 1, double bass drumming. You will break past your speed wall with the flat foot technique. We will show you how to use your upper leg for power and control at slow and medium tempos up to about 170 beats per minute. Then next we will increase your maximum double bass tempo with the ankle technique, a method that uses your calf muscle and works with your pedal rebound. Your left foot will finally catch up with your right foot when it comes to speed and control. You will also get a personal muscle test. We hook you up to an EMG device, electromyography. That's a machine that shows which muscles in your lower leg are working. This way we can find weak spots in your playing and fix them right away. Next, building block number 2, hand speed and strength. You will learn specific workouts made to make your hands faster and stronger. Special drills that let you play faster, longer, without getting tired. And finally, building block number 3, musical application. You will learn how to use these skills in real music. Turn clean practice pad moves into grooves, fills, and real drum kit playing. Plus, on top of that, we add these following bonuses as well. You will get hands-on time with the Chartier Copito team. They are coming to Vienna just for our drum camp. So you can test some of the best pedals in the world and get setup help that fits your playing. You will also get to watch Simon Schilling play a live Marduk set up close. So you get the chance to see world-class double bass playing during a real show. And finally, you'll hang out with other drummers and both teachers at our Saturday night after show party. Meet other players just like you. But you don't have to take my word for it. Here's what my students are actually doing with these exact techniques that we will teach you. Here's one of my students. His name is Basil, working on the flat foot technique. Here he's playing double bass at 170 BPM, speed, power, and control. Up next, we got Warren using the anchor technique at 205 beats per minute. Next up is Wen, playing tight double bass at 220 beats per minute, staying relaxed the whole time. And finally, Ronald playing tight at 190 BPM while using the anchor technique. Smooth, balanced, and actually ready for the stage. These are real drummers using these exact methods you'll be learning at the Vienna Drum Camp 2025. Imagine your bandmates' faces when you come back playing like this. Now, 3 days of hands-on training with 2 world-class instructors, limited to just 40 drummers, with hands-on pedal testing, EMG analysis, and live demonstrations. This complete experience is $997. And here's how sure I am about what we teach. If after the first day you don't think that this was worth every single penny, I'll give you back your full $997 right there and then. No questions. And you can still stay for the other 2 days as well if you want. That's how sure I am that this will transform your playing. So here's how I see it. Best case for you. You practice with us for 3 days. You will break past where you're stuck. Your feet are finally even. Your hands are faster and stronger than ever. You feel good about your playing again. And your band members are amazed at how much better you got. You then have a proven system to keep getting faster and cleaner every single week. And the worst case scenario, you spend 3 days playing drums with other drummers who love it just like you, get help from 2 world-class teachers, you test out different pro pedals, get your full money back if you're not happy, and you go home with new exercises you can use forever. So either way, you are going to win. And actually, the only way you lose is by doing nothing and staying stuck where you are right now, watching those bad thoughts and bad habits get stronger while your band members get more upset. So here is what to do next. Click the button below this video and get your ticket for our Vienna Drum Camp 2025. Again, we only open 40 slots. We already sold 11 tickets in the first 4 days since we started announcing this event. And when those 40 spots are gone, that's it. No second chances, no waiting list, no more sessions. The venue is at Gasometer Spielraum in Vienna with multiple hotels within walking distance, so you won't need any public transportation. As soon as you sign up, you'll get our ticket email and a private link to our event page with all the details you need to be ready. Don't let another year go by stuck at the same speed, feeling bad about yourself, and letting your own band down. Click the button below, get your ticket, and I will see you in October.